Okay, hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce our team. My name is Randy Sinaga and my teammates are Naufal Fadila Ardani, Muhammad Jawan Naufal, and Rishi Gustiar. Now, we are present our project-based learning called Koladi, a digital workforce application that has been successfully developed into a production-ready system and is now accessible through koladi.id. Next. So organization often use different applications for communication, task management, and progress monitoring, making collaboration less efficient. So to solve this problem, we developed Koladi as an integrated digital workspace where team can manage communication, text, and collaboration on a single platform. So to support real-world usage, the application is deployed on a Stinger Cloud VPS, providing a stable production environment. Okay, next. Now, let's take a look at how Colade is being used by real users. After launching the application, we invited real users to test Colade. Currently, we have 24 registered users with 5 active users. So, based on our user data, the most popular features are the dashboard, payment, workspace management, and task Kanban. We also received positive feedback from users who said that Colade helps them manage communication, tasks, and document in one place, making teamwork more organized and efficient. Next will be explained by Rishi.
Next, agriculture and production. For production, Coladi use .id domain, DNS use manage hosting or DNS, web server use NDX running in a Docker container. For file storage, use database server PostgreSQL running on a hosting or VPS. Storage, use local storage. Backup strategy, manual backup via SSH to Docker Composer deployment via SSH. For development, initially manual file upload via FTP to Docker Compose development via SSH. For payment gateway, we switch hedge Mitrans to Sandwich. Next, immigration technology apply not just exploit. Technology used in production, Laravel, Tailwind CSS, LPJS, Faster, PostgreSQL, Sandwich, and Docker. Real-world integration challenge and solution, payment gateway, difficult verify with Mitrans to solve the team decided to switch to Sandwich. Performa metrics response time range from 0.6x to 3.17 seconds, which all for feature loading successful. Uptime on downtime incident was recorded due to a cold fire and Google verification configuration issue. Load handling under a simulated load of 20 current users, the application successfully handled 537 requests with a 0% fill rate and an average response time of 106 ms. Load learned, there were several adjustments needed before the application could run stable on the left server. Next. Next, research foundation and validation. Title is implementing TF-IDF and consistency for document source in the quality application. Next. Next, research foundation and validation. Title is implementing the last deadline first algorithm for task scheduling automation in the quality digital office project management system. Next. Next research foundation and validation title is the system know your team performance, but take forever to tell you a comparative study of chasing strategy and query automation on a decision support system in a collaborative virtual office application. Next. Next research foundation and validation title is implementing work-based index optimization for improving query performance in a multi-tenant SaaS system, a case study of Colady. Next. So next we will be explained by Novan.
Okay, here, this slide present the here slide. I would like to explain our business model and monetization strategy. For our business model, we collaborate with industry partners and use Sendit as the payment gateway. We continuously improve the product based on user feedback and provide tutorials to support user onboarding. Our current operational cost is relatively low, consisting mainly of a VPS server and a domain, with a total annual cost of around 1.4 million rupiah. For monetization, we currently offer a 7-day free trial and are preparing our subscription model. We also explore sponsorship and partnership opportunities. Our subscription plan are divided into the basic, standard, and premium package, depending on the collaboration features needed by user. Next. Okay, these slides show our marketing and user acquisition results. Based on Google Analytics and user registration data, we have 149 visitors, which converted into 24 registered users, and currently 5 active users. The most effective acquisition channel was the word of mouth, contributing around 50% of the user. Social media contributed 35%, while campus networks contributed 15%. To attract users, we promoted Koladi through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, direct referrals, and QR code sharing. For future growth, our goal is to increase user adoption, improving onboarding, and expand Koladi to more external communities. Next. Okay, this slide highlights our brand identity implementation. We maintain a consistent visual identity across the web application, social media, and promotional materials. The same logo, color palette, typography, and design elements are applied across all platforms. The UI kit shown here is actual design used in the production system. We also collected feedback from users. Some suggestions included increasing font size, simplifying menus, and providing quicker access to important features. This feedback helps us to continuously improve both usability and user experience. The next slide will be explained by Zakwan.
Okay, what broke in production and how we fix it. When we deploy Koladi into production, our Google login is stopped working. We found out why because our domain koladi.id was not verified in Google Console because we use the Cloudflare. So we fixed by adding DNS in Cloudflare. We also found another problem is there is no thread limiting on login and OTP, so it's open to brute force attack. That's something we need to fix. In a good side, we already have a solid security. We have HTTP, role-based access, session, encrypt password, and OTP verification. Next. Okay, for a team contribution, the first is Noval as a product lead, Muhammad Zako Noval, I am as a full stack developer, Rizky Gustian as a UI UX front end, and Dedi Sinaga as a business analyst. In the development, we face several bottlenecks, such as website is inaccessible due to 520 bad gateway. Docker setup was difficult on a run some local device, and midterm verification is delayed. Next. Okay, right now Koladi has over 100 user, 8 core feature live, and 99 production ready. We learn 3 big things. The first is production is a very different from local. Things like DNS, SSL only show up once we go live. Second is we need to ready to adapt, like when we switch from Midtrans to Sendit. And the number 3 is user feedback is really drive to improvement. For short term, we want to improve our onboarding feature. We want to make it more simple, and we want to make our collaboration feature is improve. And then also we want to grow our user from the campus and community. And then for the long term, we want to scale up our business to small business and community, start monetizing our subscription model, and adding AI feature to help team work better together. Okay, I think that's it. That's all from our presentations. Thank you for attention.